Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to test out the minimum number formula in Microsoft Excel. Just to know that the smallest number present in this series of numbers is 9, I put on the red color. So let's check out the formula. Click in any cell where you want to find the answer. Type in equal min, open bracket, select all the numbers from first to last, close bracket, enter. See, the answer is 9, which you already knew as I have typed in the numbers, and I have put number 9 as the smallest in this series of numbers. So as you all can see that the 9 is the smallest number here and the answer is 9. That means that the minimum number formula is working correctly. If you loved the video, do like the video, share the video and comment if you like or dislike the video. I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications when I upload a video.